Won't Bretuoba.
Yeah, wisdom niana.
Pachane.
Wisdom to say.
Pachayo. But also.
Wisdom.
Yes.
And yet.
Abe.
And yet. Share wisdom. Kontom fin kokura. No one ring on me wa meboa. But mama can't chiro. Be ma hwe ase no. Enya no no. Abrochire na wote no. Enche se ubetima ye de opebia. What me can't chiro. Wonim sa?
Wonim sa.
So wonim mama can't chiro. Lydia. Or my girlfriend. Na me kwati e so be wari Lydia. Hey, wisdom. Na me ma fra no kan be ko. What the telephone ato so? Wonim Lydia wen? Hey, wisdom. Dey me cannot.
Oh, who kola me sere why?
I didn't tell me who you sere.
Na so ho betimi akọ nchen.
Hwe, me kan kire abrochire ni ti na Lydia pe o. Wonim sa? Abrochire no ti na Lydia pe o. Ba me ma warning. Me ma kosi wo tina. Me ye hwan. Me ye Lydia boyfriend. Me kan kire o.
Ye flow say.
Ye frame so busam say ye frame saying. Me professor you have the capacity, audacity.
We kurasini papa. We kurasini.
Adenti. Wo me no kasa katela no se dey.
Me say we kurasini pa.
Adenti.
We kurasini.
Adenti.
We kurasini.
Adenti.
We kurasini.
Ene business adenti.
Me say we kurasini.
Adenti.
Huh?
Adenti.
Me fleno wan kasa gina so na ti.
Fleno. Na me klasini fleno. Fleno na me nyina so. Fleno no. Felidia na me nyina so.
Na ne maame mo ho ada na onko ye no ho ade.
What are you talking about? Lydia is my girlfriend.
We klasini papa. We klasini bema.
What does it mean? What does it mean?
Onko wale. Afi me na me mla me wale no na se de.
No. What are you talking about? She's my girlfriend. No, the girl is my girlfriend. Oh, Masa, what are you talking about? She's my girlfriend.
Man.
You say what? I'm illiterate. Do you say illiterate? He said illiterate. Yeah, hello.
Me say we kulasini pa.
Adentia. Okay.
Adenti. What?
Okay, good evening.
Fine evening.
Se matiao.
Majoso.
It is a case near anything. Over for Obana to line is one.
Me flame into line so. Now we are fine.
Obana will line is so. Obana will line is one.
We need line so.
Hello, sweetheart.
We need line so.
Hello, sweetheart. My love. Hello.
We kulasini pa.
Connect Obana mama. My name is sweetheart. Kasa. Sweetheart.
We kulasini be ma pa.
Baby, I love you. Sweetheart, the love that I have for you, I can take every insult. I love you, sweetheart.
Why?
I'm not your friend. You don't speak English. That's why you're not speaking. Speak English too. I'm speaking English. I'm speaking grammar. Speak English too. You don't speak English. You always say illiterate. Krasini, 2 words. Nothing again. Speak English too. Speak English. Now, I'm speaking English. Your mouth quiet. Speak English. When we speak in tree, now English, you are quiet. Speak English too. Okay, what is your name? You see, I get you. When we are talking,
I can't mention my name. Why?
Okay.
You are so big fool. Let him tell you.
I'm a big fool. No problem. Everything for love. Things we do for love. Insult me for love. My wife, Lydia is my wife, and I will marry her. come again. Where did you see Lydia? When was the last time you saw her? When was the last time you saw her? See, Lydia is my own. Now English come inside. You are quiet, cry. You can speak.
Now you are speaking English, yeah?
Yeah, I speak
now
English.
You are speaking.
Yes.
You are illiterate mind. Let me tell you.
Why?
You are a fool.
Why?
You are a big fool. Let me tell you. Why you not can't see my...
And say maybe no ni patimo na babrofo aboa. I say obi di Italy ya na ntimi ka binchira no. O hwe soro no awuzu tira ko baby. So ka maybe wo hani pa beka o. E babrofo di illiterate fool. You insult me. My friend, you don't speak good English. I am illiterate fool. What does it mean? Talk. Wisdom. Hey, wisdom. Oh, you see, I changed the language. No, don't call me Kwasia. No. Menyame. No, the problem is I don't speak good Chi. That's the problem. She's my girlfriend and I'm worried. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Speak English too. When we speaking Chi, you go first. Now, we speaking common English, you can't speak.
Yes, I can't speak English. Now you are speaking English.
Why can't you speak English?
Yes, I can't.
No school?
Yes.
And you want to marry this fine lady? You no school, you won't marry fine lady. Go marry Krasini Gabi.
You're a fool. Let me tell you. You're a fool. You're a big fool.
You've been saying this for the past 10 minutes. Just change the language. My friend, speak English grammar.
I say, what is your problem?
My problem is, leave the girl for me. Leave the girl for me. She's my
fool.
Why?
Let me tell you.
Why?
You're a big fool.
Why? Explain
Go
it.
and study again.
Why? I love the girl. Leave her for me. I'll marry her.
If you love the girl also no love you. Let me tell you.
No, she told me. Tell me. Hey, wisdom.
My friend, you're a man. You're a man. If you love the girl, go and see the parent. Parent, you talk about everything you need. My friend, I don't have time with you because
no, please have time. Let's settle this amicably.
I don't have time with you. Let him tell you. Let him tell you now, my friend. I don't have time. If you have time, go and do.
My friend, listen. What should I do? Hey, my friend. You still on the line. Talk. You say I should do what? Hey, the girl is mine. The girl is mine. Hey, my friend, wisdom. Wisdom. And try to understand. Try to compromise. Because I love the girl. She's mine. Wisdom. Freddy Bium, was said no Gina, so better. Brofoni sign was said a Gina.
Who tea Bretuoba?